Alice, why importing Alucobond panels from China is the best choice over importing Alucobond panels from other countries?
Now, let me tell you at least 4 reasons. First, because there are at least 50 quality factories in China with more than 20 years experience in production of Alucobond panels, and they can meet all your quality requirements. Second, because the price of Alucobond panels produced by Chinese factory is better than the price produced in other countries. Third, because more than 50% of Chinese Alucobond panel factories can give you at least 15 years warranty, which can't be achieved by other countries' factories. Fourth, because Chinese factories offer a quality pre-delivery service and post-delivery service that no other country's factory can offer.